Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off default message timer on WhatsApp Business. So, let's get started. Firstly, open WhatsApp Business app in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on Settings. After that, tap on Privacy. Next, you can see the option of default message timer. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of off. Tap on it. So, this is how you can turn off default message timer on WhatsApp Business. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.